Hi everyone, Nina here from Ajayasthro Maniguru. In today's video, we are diving into the cotton market, where ICE futures prices finally snapped their losing streak on Monday, closing up 62 points for May contracts at 80.02 cents per pound. July and December contracts also saw gains. Let's break down the key factors that drove this positive shift. First up, we saw a wave of optimism across global financial markets. Strong earnings reports from tech giants like Alphabet, Google's parent company, fueled this rally. Adding to the good vibes, a weaker US dollar made cotton a more attractive buy for international investors at 80.02 cents per pound, compared to previous highs. However, it wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. News of a potential peace deal between Israel and Hamas put downward pressure on oil prices. This made cotton's substitute, polyester, a bit less expensive, limiting cotton's gains. The U.S. Department of Agriculture's USDA, World Agricultural Supply and Demand Estimates, WASDE, report offered some interesting insights. The report projected an increase in global cotton trade for the 2023-24 season, with China leading the charge with higher import estimates at nearly 44 million bales. This is 700,000 bales higher than previous projections. On the flip side, the USDA left the US cotton balance sheet unchanged, waiting for final production data next month. They did trim their US average farm price slightly to 76 cents per pound. The report also indicated that US cotton planting is progressing well at 15% as of April 28, slightly ahead of the 5-year average pace. Meanwhile, ICE-certified cotton stocks continued to inch up to 183,596 bales on April 26, and the Cotlook A index remained flat at 87.80 cents per pound. Finally, the Commitment of Traders report revealed a continued exodus of speculative investors from the cotton market. Speculative longs excited 10,779 contracts during the week ending April 23, while adding 15,862 new shorts. This suggests some waning bullish sentiment among these traders. So, there you have it. While cotton futures saw a welcome rebound on Monday, the overall market remains influenced by various forces, including crude oil prices, the US dollar, and global trade. Keep an eye on developments in the broader financial markets, currency exchange rates, and energy prices for further clues on cotton's future direction. As always, this is not financial advice, and we recommend doing your own research before making any trading decisions. Thanks for joining us on Ajayasthro Maniguru. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful commodity updates.